What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to show you how you can reinforce the Big Rock 223S body with some simple 3D prints. It's nothing too crazy, not hard to print, easy to install. I like it. It might not be for everybody, but it definitely helps reinforce the body. So if you don't mind, go ahead and like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright, so this is a protection for the rear. We're going to drill these holes, and they will correspond with this guy right here. I like to take 3mm drill. You know, I kind of like how it gives it the industrial type look to it too. It's kind of cool. All right, now it's time for the point of no return. But I mean, hell, this body's already damaged, so what more are we gonna do? All right, got the holes drilled for the back two holes. I'm just gonna open it up with a 3mm. Feed them on in. Yep, everything still lines up pretty good. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm digging it. So to secure this back here, we're just going to go ahead and drill using this as our template. After you get that punched out, you're going to want to step up to a 3mm drill. Alright, so now with this all bolted together, we're just going to put it back on the shell, just like that. Looks very industrial and rugged with all these bolt heads sticking out. Kind of like it. I'll be honest, I'm not a huge fan of the wing. I probably already said that. But I do know that it's going to help significantly on rear impacts. So, boing. Cool. Well, I guess that's about it. Let's see how it looks all together. Alright guys, we're about to give her a test drive. We got our TPU wing, our PET G 100% infill back support bed, this thing, that guy. We got our 100% infill TPU roof skid. We have the piece underneath. And good Lord Almighty, you can hear that fan. I got a fan and it fits. That dude's on, and it is keeping the motor cooler. So let's give her a test drive. It's been raining, so we got a little moisture in the grass here. All right, let's see if this stuff's actually gonna hold up or what. I'm gonna make this quick, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna end up hitting my dog. Man, it's holding up so far. Well, full transparency here, I already kind of did a test and I was trying to make this dude right here a little lighter, and it printed it, I think, at 50% infill or something like that. And it broke like first big jump I did, so I went ahead and put my 100% infill back on. Okay, we gotta put this dog up before I end up running him over. Alright guys, man, that dog loves to chase it, but I'd sure get a cussing from my vet if I had to explain why, you know, however 14-pound RC car came down on top of him. Gotta adjust that steering trim a little bit. Let's see if she tracks straight now. Well, so far everything's holding up. Nice. What do you think, guys? Should I take one right to that back wing? What do you think about it? I don't know, maybe. Nice. Really, there's only so much I can test. I mean, I can hit that jump as many times as I want, but, you know, after this thing gets abused by the sun and hit the asphalt once or twice, I mean, nothing's really going to be a test except for time. It's doing pretty good, though, I think. That's about what I did, though. That first test a few minutes ago when I snapped the other one right half in two. Nice. Okay. You know, and I'll be honest with you, I didn't know how I felt about that wing at first, but now that, once I broke that one and then took it off, man, I was kind of missing it. I was like, man, that wing does actually, it's a little goofy, but it looks cool, I guess. It's really honestly not there for looks, it's just there for some kind of support if I land on the back. Alright. Nice. Woo-hoo-hoo! Freaking lawn dart. Hell yeah. There's a test for you. Alright guys, we're back out here. Had to cut it a little short yesterday, but we are going to send her to the moon. Let's do it. Yeah, it's holding up good. Still have yet to put 4S in this thing. I think that'll be my next move. Okay, all right, well, it's staying together. All right, let's do this. All right. Whoop. Yeah. Yeah, it rained yesterday and a little bit this morning, so a little slick out here. That's all right. Yeah. Well, it's definitely tough. I'll give it that. That's my main concern. That's what we're out here to do. Give her a torture test. TPU was definitely the best choice for this. You could go TPU or PETG, but I think TPU is definitely the most resilient, because I mean, it's still flexible, but it's still rigid enough. I mean, hell, you could pick it up and walk with it by the TPU. So that's 95A, by the way. If I could do it over, which I can, beautiful thing about 3D printing, I'd probably go 98A, but 95's holding up just fine if that's all you got. Nice. Yeah, I'm totally crashing on purpose to test the durability. Man, this thing's holding up great. Wish there was more prints like this designed for the Outcast and other models. Yeah, see, it's got another piece that can support this rear. I haven't put it on. It's gonna take it's a little janky, but it's still doable, and it'll help keep this dude from cracking. But, well, maybe too late for that now. All right, guys. Well, that exceeded my expectations. What do you think about it? Is it something you should do? Is it something I should do more of? Either way, I had a pretty good time with it. Some pretty tough stuff. This being PETG, I really didn't expect it to be as terrible as it is. I'm happy with it. All right, guys. I can't thank you enough for watching. Won't you help this small channel out and give me a like and subscribe and all that good stuff. I got some really fun ones planned next. Got some more stuff for the Big Rock, and I got another platform coming on the channel. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Oh man, I broke down and did it. Holy crap, that thing's freaking awesome. Little afterthought here. Dude, that thing is rock solid. Don't know if you can see that or not. That thing is freaking rock solid. It marries up to the your spring bumper great. Freaking love it, man.